What a gorgeous car we've got here, directed off the last owner. Done a lot of business with this family. This is absolutely stunning. It really is a beautiful, beautiful example. Just one local owner from you. Mercedes GLC 250d. This is the Sport Premium. They are really great spec as they are. Finished on this absolutely stunning Hyacinth red pearl. Just look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Fantastic specification. 2.1 diesel, 4Matic, 4-wheel drive, 9-speed automatic, 200 brake horsepower. Let's take you around it. It's a 2017 on a 17 plate with full service history. Great touch, electric tailgate. Just makes it nice and easy for loading. Nice low loading area, totally undamaged. Great size boot on it, nice and clean, not been abused. Got split folding rear seats, all through load facility. Additional storage there, look at that. Lots of little pockets there to store bits and pieces out of the way. Nice and easy, drop the seats down. Just the easy buttons. The seats drop down nice and flat. Just look at that. Absolutely massive amount of space there. Rear luggage cover. Electric closure. Got front and rear parking sensors. Reverse camera. Just look at it. Nice chrome all the way down. This one's also got the additional side steps. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, just beautiful all the way around. It's got the 5-spoke alloys, all of them in great, great condition. Matching Bridgestone tyres all the way around, plenty of tread on those. All the wheels all unmarked. All the front nice and clean, no major stone chips, dents, scuffs anywhere. It's just beautiful all the way around. Front parking sensors there. Just look at it, absolutely gorgeous. I love all the chrome on it, just sets it off nicely. Chrome roof rails as well. Got a full glass panoramic sunroof, rear privacy glass. Absolute beauty. A little bit higher off the ground, so easy access in and out. I love the black trim on that. Look at that wood effect. Loads of space in there, plenty of leg room. All nice and clean. Beautiful upholstery. With the wire stitching, just attention to detail. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Lovely and clean, not been abused in any shape or form. Keyless entry, keyless go. Again, all the trims, electric seats, memory seats. Look at those seats. They really hug you in. Glass panoramic sunroof. Tilt or slide, so it's not a fixed roof, it's sliding and tilting with a cover just to protect you from the sunshine if you so wished, all at the flick of a button. Nice and easy, just makes it very light and space inside. Beautiful layout on the dashboard. Nice and clear, nice big screen. Stereo CD, navigation. Just zoom in exactly where you want to go. Media connection. Reverse camera. Just get the climate absolutely perfect for both passenger and driver side. Bluetooth connection, and just get that car driving exactly how you want it, with the suspension adjustable to whatever mode you fancy. Great stereo system on the car. It tells you on the dashboard exactly which mode you're in. Navigation, radio, all in front of you as well. Paddle shift gear change. Cruise control. Heated seats. And those seats, you can just get them exactly how you want them. Fully electrical, with electric lumbar support as well. So all the buttons to adjust the various seats, the back, the base, and even under your legs, all electrically operated. Just get it so comfortable for you. Even the head restraints are electrically operated. This vehicle's also got the optional electric tow bar. Just flick the button and there it is. Very quick, very easy. Again, hit the button again and it's out of sight. Only being used to tow a small trailer. Voice activation. Find place. Subway. Number 1. There we go. How easy is that? Great feature really, makes life a lot easier with the voice activation. You haven't got to press all the buttons everywhere. What a beautiful cockpit. Nice layout, nice and clean. Automatic lights, auto dimming mirror, USB aux input, so many other features. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Ask about click and collect or ask about home delivery. Read about our raving fans reviews and you see why customers come back to us time and time again. Full HD video to show you how nice all our cars are. Nothing is left to chance. Any further information? 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.